It's Jolly Jam gift trade time.
I need it louder. Guys, this is it. I promise this is truly it. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. 5 lovely contestants, finalists now, coming in here to hang out with us.
She's nervous. Look at her.
I can tell you guys are nervous. I'm so excited you guys are here. Kay Martin Sears doing a really special thing. Kirsten and Andrea, so nice of you guys to join us here. They're not mic'd, so they gotta get their mime on over there. This is so very special. We're so excited that you guys are here with us. And what does this mean to you as we gear up towards the grand finale and the grand finish here?
You know what, Jordan? We feel like winners to have this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Great Christmas spirit. That holiday attitude.
Kimberly, Damone, Trisha, Mamie, Myrna, we're all here. This is it. This is the moment. How excited are you guys for this?
I'm like, how did you have to get in there and pick
we gotta build this thing up. How excited are you guys?
So excited.
So excited.
This is it. How many days have we been doing this? 22 days?
22 days. The music, as I go to sleep, it plays in my mind.
And there's more than 22 gifts because we've been adding each day.
And I got to be truly honest with you guys. I'm not just saying it because you're up here. We were wondering what the 5 finalists would be like when they got here. Would they not be grateful? Would they not have personality? What kind of, we didn't know, right? You never know, but the people that are showing up here, you guys are very special people.
Thank you so much.
No matter who wins, we know it's going to be somebody incredibly special.
Yes.
And for this moment to finally be here, this is like Christmas before Christmas for all of us. So we're really excited. Okay. I think the moment is now. Now, I started to pick the thing, but I feel like somebody else is more deserving of actually picking this out. She's been Buddy the Elf. She's been a train conductor. She's our Krista Green.
Me?
Yes.
Yes.
Standing at 5'10" of elf.
Wait, how much is this gift collection worth, though?
$5,000.
Stop over here. Lovely. They're talented. Krista Green.
Krista, we need one final dance.
Come on.
Jolly Jam gift trade.
I know you guys like the shoulders out there. I see you on social media.
I love the look she gives at the end. Like, yeah, come on.
That's the Jolly Jam
the
gift train
famous
dance. Yes.
Okay, well.
Practice at home, learn it.
So once more, we want to thank Kay Martin Sears for being a huge part of this, making us all happy.
So fun.
All you gotta do is go in there and pick one of them.
All right, Krista, the pressure's on, girl. You got this. You got this, girl. Okay.
Okay.
You will have it.
Here we go. Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
This is the one.
You gotta open that thing up for me. I got these big meatballs here.
Okay. You guys, I'm shaking a little. I'm shaking. All right, Jordan.
I'm not gonna pull a Steve Harvey here, I promise everybody. Myrna!
Thank you so much, Sears and Kmart and the Jam. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Thank you, Lord.
There she is.
I'll tell you what. I truly cannot think of anybody more deserving of this. For what you've done, the face of resiliency, the last 10 years I know have been incredibly difficult on you. For us to be able to here at the Jam make this day a little bit brighter for you, the holiday season, to all 4 of our finalists as well for showing up. We love you guys as loyal viewers. This is a very special day, Myrna, and you are most deserving of it. Everybody, go out there and have a great weekend. What a way to end the show. It's the Jam Gift Train, everybody. Dr. Phil is not